Hi everyone! My name is Andrea and I went to South Africa and Namibia.
My name is Lerge and I went to Brazil.
I'm Sam and I went to India and Sri Lanka.
Hey, I'm Eline and I went to Vietnam.
My name is Jons and I went to Japan.
We're here at the headquarters. We just visited. We got to know each other. These are all the other pretty epic content creators here behind me. And yesterday we had the most amazing day visiting Copenhagen, getting to know what Kilroy stands for and then representing it ourselves.
And of course we're making future travel plans with Kilroy and each other.
The connection was just like this. You don't have to explain anything because everyone just gets it.
It feels like you know each other because we're all in the content space, so you see each other achieving things. It feels like I'm your biggest fan. I just wanted to tell you guys that. I hope you guys are mine too.
One of the best moments was learning from the anti-poaching unit while I was volunteering in Namibia.
My favourite moment from my trip was in Sri Lanka, Minarim National Park, which was just full of elephants and their natural habitat.
Surfing some of the waves in Brazil.
I got a kendo class from an actual samurai descendant in one of the oldest dojos in the whole of Japan.
I went to Vietnam. The best, most epic adrenaline experience is I went canyoneering, so I climbed down a waterfall. I was the only girl there. So I would say that was a pretty bad experience. When it comes to traveling, the more I talked with locals, the better and more epic my experience got. So of course, do all the touristy things because yes, you're a tourist, but also don't forget that there's local people, they have stories to share, they have their culture to share.
Your authenticity is your superpower, so use it. Just do it, don't overthink it.
Just say yes to everything, go talk to the stranger, go eat at the local restaurant, do all the side quests and just experience it all.
For the application, absolutely just send it. Just put a little bit of personality into it.
I got so many messages from people who was like, oh, I was so close, but I didn't think I was going to win, or I didn't have the time or something. And I kind of almost did that myself. And then 2 days before, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. And well, now I'm here.
Go for it, because what's the worst that can happen? Nobody watches your video. Well then, nothing happened in the first place. What's the best that can happen? You could end up on this couch with 4 awesome strangers.
And we won!
Mic drop.